what this kind of goes through. And we're going to do this together. So I'm going to walk you through this, and then you're going to have the opportunity to do this on your own. Okay. So let me make sure that I got everything going here. Oops, don't want to minimize it. Sorry. There we go. Okay. So the first thing, obviously, it says here, if you ever get lost, just use the presentation to help you guys. The file itself is in Teams, all on shape, users, and then selfie stick. So if we go into the first thing I want to kind of bring open is the document itself. So I've created this document called the selfie stick assembly document, and it looks like this. Basically, what it is it's showing you what you originally get, and with color coordination, it allows you to show what the assembly is going to look like when you put it together, as well as the only weird, I call it weird because it's the only different kind of, joint that's going to, the revolute in this case, right? And then it shows you an exploded view of all the pieces and where they're going to go. So as you can see here, orange, yellow, all that kind of stuff where it goes. And then I zoomed into a detail view to show you guys. So inside of Schoology, you're also going to see this selfie stick walkthrough. I've already done this for you, but I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to ask questions while we go through this. Okay. So if I go to basically on shape, and I want to show you this all over again, you're going to go to Teams, you go to all company users, and it's important because I had this come up a lot. Once you click the selfie stick, same as we always do. It comes in color coordinated, all looks pretty. I'll put that piece back because I shouldn't have messed with that. Go to the stack, copy workspace, and then make your copy, right? When you do that, sometimes it automatically comes into the assembly tab down here. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so it's important. If you're here, I had people saying there's nothing in that file. Well, that's not true. You need to come down to the tab down here and select the assembly because I've already done the part insertion for you. I've already put the parts in there for you. So you don't have to do anything. Okay. So let's get started here. I'm going to use this as a reference. I'm going to keep going back and forth to kind of help you guys understand and see where I'm coming from all of this. But in a nutshell, what you guys are going to see is how this thing's going to go together. And you can ask questions as we go, and hopefully we can get this all taken care of.